Hello friends. Yeah, I'm probably looking a little spooky right now, but that's fine. I back a queen, right? But yeah, I want to like document my hair journey, I guess, or just trying hair products. But I'm not like the type of person to use a bunch of products. I don't need like a whole like 5-step routine or anything. Anyways, but I do I want to show my hair really quick. So I had to cut like 2 inches off, sadly. Yeah, I'm kind of sad about that because it was like already like right here, but it was literally so dead, like dead. It was crusty and a different color. It was just like sun bleached, and like for work and stuff, they never use hair protectant. So whenever I get like my hair curled or straight, it's just straight heat on there, which I understand because I mean, too much work, right? Way too much work to spray hair protectant. But I realized I should probably just start carrying my own stuff because that's the safest way. But yeah, I bought this new product at Sephora. I don't know how to pronounce it. Gisou hair serum, repair hair serum, and it has like little honey dots. But I'm gonna be using that for my hair, I guess like daily, because the hairdresser lady told me like just with like regular, I don't use heat on my own time, you know, like usually when I'm not working I'll just like leave my hair natural, but I guess oil helps with like split ends and stuff, or just natural like hair wear and tear from the sun and things like that. But yeah, I'll show you right now. So it looks like this. Gisou, I'm pretty sure it's Gisou. Wow. There you go. Well, all right. It says, damp hair, use a small dose in the palm of your hands and gently rub together. Work through hair strands beginning in the middle of the hair shaft towards the ends and the upper areas. Do not rinse. That's perfect. Don't. I'm just gonna use my ends. Wow, it's so cute. It kind of looks like 710, if you know what that means. It literally looks like it. Like some good RO 99%. It's really cute. See how it smells like, cause yeah. I don't think there's a scent to it. That's even better, honestly. I do like scent, but no, it doesn't really smell like anything. Maybe when I break the honey, it'll smell like honey. I'm not sure, but it's so cute. I'm gonna go take a shower and then use it, and then I'm gonna use it tomorrow if I leave the house for sure. I don't know. I want to grow my hair out really long, but I realized you can't just like be super natural like that. As much as I like being natural, okay, it's like I do gotta use some kind of like hair protectant. Like look at those. I don't think you could probably tell. Let me see. Do you see that? I don't know. You probably can't. But like there's a bunch of like little not split, but like different length hairs. You know? Oh, right here is like terrible, actually. It's fine. We'll fix it. We're gonna fix it. But yeah, my hair's not as long anymore, sadly. But that's okay. It's cute like this too. It curls up easier, so yeah. But I will catch you later and show you me applying it. Alright, so I just finished taking a shower and I'm going to try this. It says to put it on damp hair, so that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I didn't realize how dead my hair was because I've been growing it out at least for like 6 months, and I haven't been maintaining it, and I just don't use like heat spray as much, but I'm going to for sure. I want to see how good my hair could be, how good it could be and how good it will ever be. Does that make sense? Like in my entire life, I just really don't do anything to my hair. I'm a very simple person. I don't like to stress much. I do not like to stress. I hate stressing. If you really know me, I am literally this, like my spirit animal is a sloth. I have to just be content and eating, and that's it. Like, that's all I care about. I don't want any stress, any negativity, nothing at all. Nothing. I can't handle it. I can't handle it at all. But yeah. All right, I'm gonna try this. Yeah, it says to leave it on damp hair. My hair is kind of drying already. It's like 3.5. It's literally this. Okay, I'll do 3.5. This is how it looks like. It's cute, right? I guess. And it's $45 after taxes. I think it's like 50. I'm not too sure. It depends on what city you buy it in here in Colorado, because taxes are a lot different everywhere. Like literally every county is different. It doesn't smell like anything, so if you're like scent sensitive, this is like perfect. It does have like a lemony tang to it, you know, but it isn't bad. I feel like it isn't enough. I didn't put enough squirts. It's fine. It is fine. Yes, I forgot I was gonna focus more on the ends and then go up. Yay! I'm excited. I want healthy hair. Maintained healthy hair. Also, I want to do like a skincare routine, but my face is so sensitive to stuff. Like, I realized when I was like, I did not have any acne at all when I before I started like traveling for work, you know. And I realized, I don't know if it's like the stress or the pollution or just like not having a skincare routine, like something caused me to like break out. Now I have like acne. It's so sad. It's okay. It's curable. I'm sure it could be. My energy right now is a little low just because it's kind of late. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't have a long day, but I had a really like emotional, spiritual day, so that's pretty tiring. I'm a Pisces, so I've absorbed a lot of energy right now. I'm ready to just play games and chill, you know? I'm gonna do like 1.5 more squirts. And one of my fans actually sent me some money today, which is really nice of them. And I'm like, well, let me go treat myself really quick. The bills are paid. I've eaten. I'm happy. Like, treat myself, you know? So I bought this. And yeah, super nice. Yeah, this is a weird like oil, dude. It literally feels like my hair absorbed it like this. And for $45, I'm like a quarter done with it. Like I'll show you. But I'll stay dedicated to it. My foundation's like $45 and I'll buy that every single time. But if anyone has any better like hair serums, what I like about this, it's a serum and a repair, and it also has heat protectant. Because you know how the sun bleaches your hair, it just does UV rays and stuff, just like your skin and stuff. Like, let me show you. That's what the little, whoa, I don't know what I did. There you go. That's what the little box said. So I'm like a third away, okay? I'm being exaggerating princess, but I mean, I already wasted a good portion of it. And this is night 1, and I don't know, maybe I'll just like use it tomorrow if I leave the house. If I don't leave the house, I'm not gonna use it. So I do want to use it for like UV protection. When I I got my hair trimmed and it was just like bleached. I'm like, why? But yeah, we'll leave that. But this is day 1 of my Gisou hair journey, repair journey. I'm gonna do more research on what else I could buy to help my split ends and stuff. There's no scent. I love there's no scent, dude. Everything has a scent nowadays, and I'm not like, I kind of am a fan, but like I'm kind of not a fan, you know? I want to show you guys my personality a little bit. This is me, and this is my mom. Like, this is exactly the type of scent vibe that I like to go for, and this is exactly what my mom likes to go for. I don't like any other Sol de Janeiro, to be honest. I think there's like an orange reddish one that I like that's like cherry. That one's pretty good. These are really good though. They last a long time. I've had a lot of guys like compliment me too, so like that's so cute. I love it. I love it. I'm not a perfume person, but I'm trying to be more like self-care type of, you know, I grew up very tomboy, so I'm like, shower good, brush teeth fine, like we're good. But now I'm like, okay, let's do skincare, hair care, body care, I guess, smell good care, I don't know. But yeah, this is day 1, so I will be doing like a whole week video and then show you guys how it is. I know I'm gonna be finished with that already, so then I'm gonna worry about finishing my product and stuff. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a good night and sleep well. Well, I'm gonna sleep well. I'm not gonna sleep right now because it's really late. I'm gonna just play games. I hope you have a good day.